So, you've been manually changing fonts, sizes and spacing for every headline and paragraph. That's cute. And also fastest way to lose your mind. Welcome to the world of text styles where consistency isn't just a dream, it's a checkbox. Let's make your typography behave like it went to finishing school. In this video, we'll cover what text styles are and why they matter, how to apply them, and how to create your own, how to update and save them for every future project. Basically, it's formatting therapy. Let's dive in. Text styles are formatting presets. They tell Affinity, hey, every time I say heading 1, make it bold 20 points and dramatic. They keep your font spacing and alignment consistent, no matter how many pages you cut. Instead of fixing every headline one by one, you fix one style and everything updates automatically. It's like having obedient typography, and who doesn't want that? If you can't see the text styles, go to Window, Text, and here is text style. But they should be on your right side panel on default. If they're not, just go to Window, Text, and Text Styles. You can find text styles usually on the same section that are paragraph and character. So let's start easy. Click anywhere inside your text frame and look at your text style panel. Let's click here, and here you can see your text style panel. You'll see defaults like body, heading 1, heading 2, and quote. Click heading 1 and entire paragraph updates. Now select a different paragraph. Let's do that and click on body. Nothing happens because it uses Affinity Layout uses it by default. Let's choose emphasize or strong. It's like switching between fashion outfits. Same words, new vibe. If you ever get that annoying no style label that you can see here, that means Affinity Layout has no clue what are you doing. Just reapply body or whatever style you choose and you're back to sanity. Alright, time to make your own style. Select the line of text you want as your headline. Let's choose this first line here. In the top toolbar, set your font size and alignment however you like. So let's do bold, let's do 2060. Yeah, let's do 36. What else? Uppercase maybe? Yes, no, not the prettiest, but you get the point. Once it looks perfect, go to text styles on the right side panel, and down here, here's 3 different buttons. Here, create paragraph, here is create character, and here is create group. Click on the create paragraph style, then name it my headline or whatever you want to call it. Affinity Layout will ask what it's based on. Choosing heading 1 or body depends on what feels closest. Let's do heading 1 and click OK. Now let me show you. Just let's make this a headline. Choose my headline and you're done. But what if you want to tweak it later? Easy. Just double click it, double click your headline style. It opens text style editor. And here you can make whatever changes you want. You can change fonts, and like you see, it changes the first headline we created. Color, let's make it something like this. So whatever changes you can imagine, you can do here. Styles can be based on other styles. For example, if you create subheading based on main heading and later change the font in main heading, subheading updates too. That's a style inheritance, or as I call it, typography nepotism. Now, let's talk about character styles. These are for local tweaks, like bolding one word or coloring a phrase, highlighting some text. Click Create Character Style. Highlight some text first. Click on the character style, that's down here, character style. Name it whatever you like and pick your settings. So let's change font, color and decoration, let's put it red. The background color will be yellow. And if you are happy what you have done, just click OK. And now use this your new character style instead of manually doing the work, because manual formatting breaks consistency faster than your coffee breaks deadlines. Now all you have to do is just select the text and choose your style. You can also import styles from another documents. Open the textile panel that we already have opened, and here under this little arrow, click on it, and here is import styles. That's handy if you work on a multi-part project like magazine series and want every issue to look identical. Want your custom styles to appear in every new file? Easy. Once you've set them up, open the textile panel menu again and choose Save Styles as default, like you can see here. Now, every new document will start with your brand signature look. You just built your own mini design system. Congratulations. Here's a simple setup I recommend for beginners. Body for regular text, heading 1 for main titles, heading 2 for subheads, quotes for, well, quotes, footer for page numbers or references. Once those are in place, your entire layout becomes a one-click operation. Seriously, it's life-changing, or at least layout changing. Let's recap before Affinity forgets everything. Text styles equals formatting presets. Use paragraph style for structure, character style, and emphasis. Create, edit, and paste styles on others for consistency. Clear overrides before they multiply. Say defaults to keep your sanity. You now officially control typography like a pro, or like a dictator. In the next video, we'll tackle images, placing, cropping, linking, and all the stuff that makes your file's size explode. Hit subscribe before your text overrides revolt. And I'll see you in video 7.